সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই সুস্থ দেহ মনে সুন্দরভাবে লেখাপড়া চালিয়ে যাচ্ছ। গত ক্লাসে আমি তোমাদেরকে বিভিন্ন অ্যালজেব্রিক ফর্মুলা দেখিয়েছিলাম। আজকে আমি দেখাবো তাদের অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস। আশা করি পুরোটা সময় তোমরা আমার সাথে থাকবে। তাহলে চলো শুরু করি। See, question number 11, we have to determine the square of p minus q. So we can write the square of p minus q is p minus q whole square. See, here p is considered as a and q as b, so it falls into the formula a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2 into ab plus b square. So we can write here p square minus 2pq plus q square, and it is our answer. See the next question. Question number 12, determine the square of 5x minus 3y. So we can write the square of 5x minus 3y is 5x minus 3y whole square. So we can write here, we can consider 5x as a and 3y as b. So we can write 5x whole square minus 2 into 5x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Now write it. 5x whole square means 25x square. Now multiply this 3. It is 30xy plus 9y square. So it is our answer. In this way, we can determine the square of 5x minus 3y. Hope you understood. Let's see the next question. Question number 13, we have to determine the square of 2x minus 3. So we can write the square of 2x minus 3 is 2x minus 3 whole square. Now we apply the formula here. So we can write 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 square. Now we can write 4x square minus 12x plus 9. So it is our answer. See question number 14. We have to determine the square of ax minus by. The square of ax minus by is ax minus by whole square. Now we can write ax whole square minus 2 into ax into by plus by whole square. Now write it. Ax whole square means a square x square. Now multiply this 3, it would be twice ab xy. By whole square means b square y square. So it is our answer. See the question number 15. We have to determine the square of 5x minus 6. So we can write the square of 5x minus 6 is 5x minus 6 whole square. Now we can expand it as 5x whole square minus 2 into 5x into 6 plus 6 square. In this way we can apply the formula. Now 5x whole square means 25x square. Now multiply this 3, it is 60x. 6 square means 36. So our answer is 25x square minus 60x plus 36. It is our answer. See, question number 16. We have to determine the square of x square plus 1 by x square. Let's see how we can do this. So we can write the square of x square plus 1 by x square is x square plus 1 by x square whole square. Now expand it. So we can write x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole square. So we have applied here a plus b whole square formula. So write x to the power 4 plus x square vanished, it is 2 plus here 1 by x square whole square means 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, 1 square means 1 and divide by x square means x to the power 4. So we got our answer as this: x to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 by x to the power 4. See the question. We have to determine the square of 2x square minus 3y square. So we can write the square of 2x square minus 3y square is 2x square minus 3y square whole square. Now expand this. Here we can write 2x square whole square minus 2 into 2x square into 3y square plus 3y square whole square. In this way we can write. Now 2x square whole square, it means 4x to the power 4 minus, multiply this 3, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12x square y square plus 3y square whole square means 9y to the power 4. So this is our answer. Now we will see how to determine the square of the expression having 3 terms. For example, a plus b plus c. So we can write the square of a plus b plus c is a plus b plus c whole square. Now we can write as a plus b plus c. So we can group it like this. Now a plus b as a and c as b. So we can write a square plus 2 into a means a plus b, into b means c, plus b square means c square. C, again a plus b whole square can be expanded. So we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply 2 into a plus b into c. So we can do it one by one, that is 2c into a plus b. Then c square we can write. Now we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square and multiply this, it is 2ca plus 2bc plus c square. So if we write them, if we arrange them, we can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is our answer. In this way, we can determine the square of a plus b plus c. Now see another problem like this. Say we have to determine the square of a minus b plus c. So we can write the square of a minus b plus c is a minus b plus c whole square. Now we can write it as a minus b plus c. In this way we can group it. Now expand it. Here a minus b as a and c as b. So we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square in this way. Now we can write a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write 2 into c into a minus b plus c square. Now we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square plus multiply this. It is 2ca minus 2bc plus c square. So if we arrange this, we can write as a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. So it is our answer. So determine the square of a minus b minus c. So we can write the square of a minus b minus c is a minus b minus c whole square. So we can write this as a minus b minus c whole square. Here a minus b as a and c as b. So we can write it as a minus b whole square minus 2 into a minus b into c plus c square. So we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. We have expanded a minus b whole square. Then multiply this minus 2c into a minus b plus c square. Now write a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply this minus 2ca plus 2bc plus c square. So if we arrange them, we can write as a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. So it is our answer. Hope you understood. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আশা করি তোমরা সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো। সবাইকে সাথে থাকার জন্য অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।